Do you like opening Tokidoki Blind Boxes? I sure do. I like the surprise. I like how cute they are. I like the attention to detail on them. To me, it's like your birthday and Christmas all wrapped up together in one super cute package. Yay! Thank you. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be opening a variety of Tokidoki Blind Boxes, and some of them, they're all purchased at different places. We've got a Unicorno After Dark Series one. This one came from Japan, LA. I have a Mermicorno Series 5. This also came from Japan, LA. I have two Unicorno Series 7 that came from Leanna's Wonderland, and then I've got a SuperMarket Bestie and a Sea Punk Frenzie that I ordered directly from Tokidoki. So let's just jump into it. So the last video I did, I opened one of these Unicorno After Dark Series 1. Do you remember which one it was? So this series just came out a couple weeks ago, and it's the Halloween themed Unicornos, and there are 6 figures and 1 chaser. We have Little Tomb, Luna, the chaser is Blair, we have Trixie, Draculino, and Lobo. So do you remember which one I got last time? I was super happy because I really wanted it. Oops. So the one I got last time was Trixie. Trixie's so cute. Look at how adorable she is. She's like a zombie unicorno. She's got her really awesome green translucent body with lots of glitter, and her awesome Halloween colors, and her cute little kawaii, creepy cute accessories, kind of like Dakota style. And she's got her 3 eyelashes. Anyway, she's awesome. So let's see who's going to be joining her. Who do we have here? We have a different one. Ooh, this one is the one, it's called Lobo. So Lobo is like a werewolf themed unicorno, and he's got a flocked mane, and he's got flocked wings, and also a flocked tail. How cute. Oh, they look cute together, huh? Trixie looks like she's trying to be scary, but she's too cute. Lobo looks like he's really trying to be scary, but he's really cute too. But they're adorable together. Yay, awesome. All right, so let's see. How about, let's open a SuperMarket Bestie. Oh wait, no, let's open the Sea Punk, because I already pre-opened this one, so it's not open. The box isn't really staying flat. So let's just go ahead and open it. So this is a Sea Punk Frenzie. Frenzies are a little bit smaller than the typical Tokidoki figure, and they have little, you can use them like a keychain, or you can use them for your cell phone. I think they're really cute. They're kind of like charms. So we have Coralina, Pirataco, Jellycat, Narwhali, Adios and Sharky, Paruko, Romantico, Pirate Puff, Seamo, Palette, and Nautica. And the chaser is Romantico, and Romantico is like a little love note, message in a bottle. And I would really like that. But I think all of them are super cute. The only one I have is Pirataco. So let's see which one we have. how cute. Oh, I was hoping to see one of these. This is a jelly cat. How cute. So it's like a jellyfish, and it's also a cat. I think these would make really cute little charms, or like for a pendant. I think that would be adorable, or maybe like little earrings. Anyway, so the other one that I have is the Pirataco. But look how adorable. So cute. Yeah, I'm glad I got that one. So that one I ordered that one directly from Tokidoki. So how about let's open the SuperMarket Besties. So these are super cute. These are all little food product type grocery store item SuperMarket Besties. So we have all different food ones. I have one of these already. Do you remember which one from my other video? Really cute. So I like all of them. I only have one. But we've got Hottie, the Sriracha, Punchy, Mr. Machimoto, Toki, Tommy Tom Yum, Kim Kimchi, Mei Mei, Mini Bao, Ruby Ramen, and Nazi Go Go. The one I have is Ruby Ramen. So I think all of them are super cute. Let's see, the next one I would like to see is maybe Mr. Machimoto. I bet that would be cute. Let's see which one we got. This feels good though. I don't think it's Mr. Machimoto. Oh, how cute! Let me see, make sure I got the right name. I think his name is Mini Bao. So he's like a little dim sum. How cute! And he's got a panda on his t-shirt. And he's got the Tokidoki logo on his back. And he's got a little bracelet and some super cute high tops. How adorable. So the other one that I have from SuperMarket Besties is Ruby Ramen. And they look so adorable together. Yay, welcome. All right, so next, why don't we open a Unicorno Series 7. So I have two of them, and both of these came from Leanna's Wonderland. And I've got a couple of these already. I already have a Star Fairy, and I have a Slider, and I have a Super Panda and a Bamboo. But the one that I would really like is a Lulu. But of course, I'd like to have any of them. Thai Princess would be awesome. Izumi would be awesome. Frutina, any of them. So let's see which ones we have. This is the Robolina. So on one side, she looks like Stellina, but on the other side, she's like a robot. Whoa, how cool. That is so awesome. I love it. Wow, that's so cool. Yay, welcome. All right, so how about one more? Series. Which one have we got in here? Here we go. This one is Super Panda and Bamboo. How cute. I already have one of these, but look at how adorable they are. So Bamboo is the Unicorno, and it's a panda themed Unicorno, and then our little friend that we have riding on them is Super Panda, and Super Panda has a super cute little popsicle, and a little flat velvet cape. So adorable. I love it. It's a duplicate, but hey, super cute duplicate. Alright, so for the last one of today's video, I have a Mermicorno Series 5, and this one came from Japan, LA. And I already have 2 of these, and in this series we've got 8, and we've got the Chaser, which is Kaikora. I already have Love Note, and I also have an Azura, and I'd actually like any of the other ones. I think they're all really pretty, all really awesome. So let's see which one we have. I've seen a few of the chasers on Instagram. People have been posting pictures of them. They're really pretty. But all of them that I've seen, I think I really like a lot. Who do we have here? Ooh. Alrighty, so this one is called Stinger. So Stinger is kind of like a bumblebee, but also kind of like, there's those tropical fish that are kind of like this. I can't think of the word right now, but anyway, this is also another really outstanding Mermicorno with a beautiful translucent body with a ton of glitter, and we've got some really awesome yellow and black stripes, and wow, Mermicornos are just so awesome. This also reminds me of there's that type of glass from Italy that they make little decorative items from. But yeah, so awesome. Alright, so we've got a Robolina, we got a Super Panda and a Bamboo, we got a Stinger. From the After Dark series, we got Lobo. And from my other last video, we got Trixie. We have a Mini Bow to go with Ruby Ramen. And then we also got a Jelly Cat to go with the Puritako. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.